everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today my NCT Dream Kihnos finally arrived. It didn't take too long, but it took longer than it usually does when I order from Synnara. So I ordered 6 Kihnos. There's 4 in this one and 2 in this one. I'm hoping for Haechan, but I saw a lot of people pull Jaemin, so I'm kind of nervous. I saw people pull a lot of Jaemin, Kihno, and Renjin, so I'm really nervous. And I hope I can get a little bit of variety. I know usually when I buy a lot in bulk, I get duplicates, but hopefully I can get some variety. Okay, so there's 6 Kihnos. I bought 6 because obviously 6 Dream members right now. And today is actually Haechan's birthday in Korea, so June 6th. So hopefully we can get some Haechan luck. I'll unseal one first to show you the folded posters, and then I'll check the pulls for the other copies. So here's the front. The back. I really like this picture. Oh, and these also came with special posters that I will include a photo of because I don't want to take it out of the tube. I actually bought one earlier at the store because I went out to celebrate Haechan's birthday, but I'll show you that pull in the vlog that I'll upload later. So this is what the Kihno looks like. Track list on the back. So it comes with folded photos. Oh, so last time I think it came with 2 separate ones, so like one photo on one side and then the back was the logo, but this time they're just double-sided like 127s usually is. So pretty. Yeah, so that's that. Oh, I'm so nervous. I'm gonna try to pick it up without looking at the back first. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Renjin. Oh, he's so cute, Renjin. Ah. This card's so pretty. Like always, the Kihno photo cards are so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna check the pulls for my other albums now. Let's put this over here. I'm gonna take off the plastic off of all of them first and then check them. Okay, so here's the next one. Jaemin, yay! This card's really cute too. Okay, at least it's a different member though. So cute. Oh. Okay, next copy. So cute. I can't even be like, I really want Haechan's card because it's really cute and I need it for my collection, but the cards are so cute. Please. Ah! I knew it. okay. 2 more chances. Come on. It's Haechan's day, please. Ah, Chanla. Okay, different card. I feel like the other one will be Chanla too because these last 2 were packaged together and these 4 were packaged together. But let's see. Oh, no! The last one is Renjun as well. Well, so weird because I feel like in my last few unboxings for albums, I've had pretty good Haechan luck. So this is I used all my Haechan luck up, and on his birthday. Jisung's card is also really cute, and Jeno's is really nice too. But Jisung's is super cute. It's him in a brown hoodie, so I would have kind of liked to pull one of those, but his card. Look at their card. Oh, I don't think I showed the back of Jeno's. It looks so good. I don't think I'll be buying any more Kihnos just because they are a little bit expensive, and with Wavy's comeback and a possible 127 repacked Kihno, I probably should be saving my money up. So I think I'm gonna try to trade one of my Renjuns for Haechan. So if you're interested, please contact me at our selling Instagram and I'll be happy to trade. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I'll be uploading a vlog soon of what I did for Haechan's birthday. So if you're interested, please subscribe and look back on our channel soon for the video, and I'll see you in the next video.